Welcome back to my channel, Glamour Has No Age. If you're new here, my name is Michelle. Think about sticking around. I post Saturday, Sunday, 9 p.m. Although I've been a little MIA lately, I do apologize. Today I have Sigma's Diana Saldana's palette. Looks like that. I think it came out for spring. I'm going to start with a fluffy brush. I'm going to go into BU, which is this white right here, and kind of set the eye with my eye primer. Then I'm gonna go into Chai, which is this color right here. Put that in my inner corner. So far, I like this palette. Sigma formula is vegan. Now, I think the palettes are around $55, but they do have 40% off sales or BOGOs a lot. Their formula is made in China, but I do like it a lot. I think I have all of their palettes, and I wouldn't have bought all their palettes if the formula wasn't good. I'm going to take the smaller brush and I'm going to go into Coffee, which is this color right here. Can you see it? Yep. And I'm going to put that in my outer V. I'm going to take a medium-sized blender and just gonna blend this out. These powders really blend nicely. I'm going to take my Pat McGrath Intensify Eyes I really like this stick. I'm gonna go into Aquarius, this blue color right here, and put that all over the lid. Alright, Skippy Dippy. This is really a lot deeper than what I thought it was gonna be. Yeah. This is really a deep turquoise. It's not that it looks bad. All right, let's find a lip. I'm going to use Mario's Bronze Glow. And that's it. That's my look. I think I'm gonna do 3 looks, 1 palette with this one. It's not that I don't like the blue. I just don't think it looks that good on me. Well, that's it. That's the end of my video. If you like videos like this, consider subscribing, hit the notification bell. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.